So we've just met up with Royston at the Raven, and we are now off to meet up with Mavrick and Vic. Very nice. My dad had about 3 of them. Used to scare the shit out of me doing 120 mile an hour down the motorway. We had the 2 litre, and I remember one of them he had the vinyl. It was a hard top, but it had a vinyl covering over the roof, because I can remember lying on top of the roof one day and with a piece of paper and chalk and doing rubbings of it. I put a feedback thing on the Google App Store, you know, for the Google Maps, saying mine crashes as soon as I ask it to start, you know, doing directions, and he said clear the cache and uninstall any updates, and so I did that and it started working, but it's been doing it for months. Oh yeah, I do that as well, but what I mean is, as soon as I ask Google Maps to start doing directions for me, it crashes, it closes the app. Yeah. Well, the biggest bits where I can normally hear it is inside my helmet, you know, and hearing over the intercom. It's like, once my custom wired earplugs turn up, I shouldn't have that problem anymore. I'll still hear a little bit of wind noise, but nowhere near as bad. Yeah. I tell you what, you really notice how shit our roads are, don't you, when you come back from France? Yeah. Well, it's a... Yeah. Well, it's like, remember those areas that we rode through where they had reduced speed limit and, you know, warning signs for, you know, bad road conditions? I was thinking when I was riding through it, it's like, what? This is nothing worse than what a good road is in England, so... Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's pick up the pace a little bit. Yeah, I'm certainly hoping this screen does the trick. This morning, well, because I've got the 360 on, I just did the audio recorder that, you know, from home to the Raven, you know, with motorway speed limits and just the 360. Now I've got my audio recorder in my pocket, so I can overlay the audio. Yeah, straight into my drift mic. Yeah. So, do you still want to go out into Wales? I've no idea, actually. Yeah. I was kind of looking at the map yesterday and I was thinking, well, if Roy still wants to go into Wales, we could go through Church Stretton. Pardon? That's why I like those remotes. I think you might need two remotes then, because I think the one I've got will work. I think it'll work the 8, 9, 10, but I think less below that, you need the older remote. That'll piss the air. Yeah. Right, there's a car overtaking me. Oh, okay. he obviously didn't like us passing him when we were at the you know, traffic lights. Yeah. I have to. Had somebody overtake us on a 40 stretch on just about a mile and a half outside Debbie's mum and dad's village in Anglesey. He went flying past us, 500, maybe 700 yards down the road. We went past him, he had lost it and gone into yeah, he'd lost it on a corner and gone into somebody's wall. And me and Debbie just laughed our heads with the windows down as we went past. Yeah. Alright. Just go through all your stuff again. You know, right then. I just managed to get past that car just before the speed reduction. And just we're missing those French lovely roads without all the bloody dug up bits of crap in the middle. Two miles, did you say? 1.2. Yeah, it was square, wasn't it? Doesn't look like it. Is it? Right, got ya. Yeah. So it should be just past it on the left hand side. I think it's this bit here. Yeah. Yeah. See if we can find some parking. Right, so this is obviously pay and display. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah. And there's a couple of yeah.
Right up to nothing. So is anything to do with the bike? Did you pay for yourself?
I have. This can't not take that way.
Yes, I'm not going
Everything about that there, as it is, that was the facelift. But after 19, you didn't make it. You don't do that extra anymore.
Well, that was perfect in France, didn't it?
Eh?
That was perfect in France.
Honest to God, this will be really, really surprising.
The only thing is, if you look at fuel capacity, which you're thinking about getting some extra jerry cans on.
Yes. Oh, I'm looking at them. Them bottles.
Yeah, they do the bottles, don't they?
Yeah,
They do them in 2 litres, 3 litres, yeah, you can get all the different sizes.
yeah, not cheap.
About 40 quid a bottle, don't they?
Yeah, that's for a litre. 2017.